19th December. Aries. Overview. Today you may find that some great benefits come to you from literature you will consult. You may feel that you have just learned some information that you can use in your career or personal development, or that you have gained some much needed perspective on a personal situation. Use this information and knowledge to your benefit, as it has come your way for a reason. 19th December. Aries. Romance. Today you may find that your romantic partner actually needs you to be a friend more than anything else right now. Take the time to listen to him or her and do your best to provide the necessary support. Try to lighten the mood as well today in order to bring some relief to an otherwise stressful situation. 19th December. Aries. Career. Today you may find that there is some upheaval in your office, with people changing roles and hierarchies being turned on their heads. Just try to remain calm and collected, as it will only cause some minor and temporary disruptions to your workflow. Your job today is to exercise some restraint in your workplace and remain focused on the long-term outlook of your position there. Don't sweat the small stuff. 19th December. Aries. Finance. You will find that today you make healthy gains from trading in stocks. Build on this streak of good luck by doing some more trades that have a solid reason behind them. Don't trade on a whim, but if you use your best judgment today, you will find that it helps you line your pockets with some extra spending cash. 19th December. Aries. Health. Today you will be looking your best, and those around you are sure to notice your obvious self-confidence. Today you will be feeling like all eyes are on you. A healthy self-esteem brings out a healthy glow in the skin. So remind yourself of all your wonderful qualities. 19th December. Taurus. Overview. You are in an ambitious and a competitive frame of mind today. This is fine for certain spheres of life, but try not to become aggressive, especially around family. Know that you can be assertive in order to get what you want, without stepping on anyone's toes. Maintain your emotional balance today. 19th December. Taurus. Romance. Today brings both harmony and enjoyment for you in your home. You will spend much time with those who are dear to you, so take advantage of these special moments. Don't be afraid to let your hair down in the company of loved ones. Forget all those tasks which have been weighing on your mind recently and just enjoy yourself. 19th December. Taurus. Career. If you are waiting to hear if you have received that new job that you were hoping for, good news may very well come your way today. Keep the positive thoughts flowing, and your good energy is sure to pay you back in the form of a development in your work sector. Use this new opportunity to your fullest advantage. 19th December. Taurus. Finance. Today you will find yourself feeling generous as far as your finances go. You are happy to give to others, as you know life brings the rewards back to you in other ways. As long as your bills are covered, then feel free to share the wealth today. You will be participating in making your world a better place. 19th December. Taurus. Health. You will find that you positively glow today, and any dark spots that appeared on your skin last week have disappeared. People will comment on how wonderful you look. It's actually your inner beauty and confidence that is coming to the surface today, and they are radiating out through your physical appearance. 19th December. Gemini. Overview. Today, beware of misunderstandings that may creep into your social life. Watch your language and choose your words carefully in order to avoid accidentally offending your friends. Today, play it safe, and you may find all your relationships intact at the end of the day. 19th December. Gemini. Romance. You are likely to enjoy the company of a kind-hearted person whose kind behavior would attract you. Developing close, friendly relations might finally turn it into a romantic affair. Rest assured, each other's company will give you lots of happiness, and you can share your true feelings. On the whole, you can expect this to be the beginning of a great journey. 19th December. Gemini. Career. Sales and marketing people will have been under tremendous pressure from their bosses these past few weeks, and will find themselves quite stress-free today. for a change. Those in the insurance sector will do exceptionally well. So ensure that you meet as many clients as possible today. 19th December. Gemini. Finance. Be careful today because misplacing a valuable possession is a distinct possibility. Make sure you have a good idea of where all your valuables are and don't handle them carelessly today, or else you might regret it. As soon as you remove something, make sure you put it back in its original position so that you do not absent-mindedly misplace it. 19th December. Gemini. Health. Today you might find that you are prone to having a short temper, so keep it in check. Watch out for any inclination to have an outburst at work or in public. There is a chance of a minor injury as a result of an outburst if you are not mindful of your mood. Maintain emotional calm today and problems will be averted. 19th December. Cancer. Overview. You will get an opportunity to obtain some knowledge that will be very beneficial to you. It may come from someone you meet or from that perfect book you come across. Whatever the case may be, make the most of it to your personal and professional benefit. You can also act as the source of helpful information to others by giving good advice to anyone who seeks it from you today. 19th December. Cancer. Romance. Though you may seem to be facing some social or family problems recently, you will find that today these issues will disappear. Use this time of positive developments to make sure your family knows that you love them and that you respect their wishes. Your partner will also respect you for taking the high road. 19th December. Cancer. Career. Today you might find it difficult to change your job if you had hoped to do so at this time. You should keep in mind that the nearer you are to the top, the harder it would be to switch careers. At the same time, it would be in your interest to consider all pros and cons before making such a move. If you are sure you are ready, simply persevere in your search and you will find what you are looking for. 19th December. Cancer. Finance. Today you will want to take the advice of a professional when it comes to your financial matters. You may have gotten yourself in over your head recently with some investments, and it's time for a qualified professional to help you out of it. Listen to their wise advice today and act on it. 19th December. Cancer. Health. Today you may need to engage in preventive health care to enjoy good health. Don't involve yourself in any controversial matters, otherwise it could bring about some mental tension. It would be in your interest to restrain yourself from doing things that could spoil your mood. Also, try not to eat for the sake of eating and maintain an awareness of what you are consuming. Make sure the food is nutritious and is good for your overall well-being. 19th December. Leo. Overview. If you have been finding that some frustration has cropped up among your family members, today is the day to root out the problem from its source. Do not let resentments or anger build up in your home. Take today to ensure that everyone relates to each other in a loving, trusting manner. 19th December. Leo. Romance. You may feel confused with regard to marriage today as you are under considerable parental pressure. Do not give in to outside pressure. Follow your intuition. In the end, you will manage to convince your parents of your feelings for your partner and they will relent. Be happy. 19th December. Leo. Career. Prospects for government-related businesses brighten up considerably today, and you are able to conclude business with the bureaucracy without any hiccups. This will also be a good day for those who work in government jobs. Everything will seem to go smoothly today. Use this auspicious day to get as much work done as possible. 19th December. Leo. Finance. Today is a day when benefits are likely to come from overseas. Money expected from distant shores comes quite easily. If you have investments abroad or are waiting to hear about some financial aid which would come your way from overseas, today might bring you the news and benefits that you have been waiting for. Keep a positive attitude as the stars are in your favor. 19th December. Leo. Health. You feel much better now after some poor health over the last few days. Lower stress levels will help lower the blood pressure and will leave you feeling relieved. Your health aspect today is positive, and the planetary positions are keeping you feeling fit. Enjoy the outdoors or join that gym you've been eyeing so that your overall fitness regimen can be established for your long term benefit. Health is wealth. 19th December. Virgo. Overview. Today you may find that your connections to influential people are quite strong. One of these people is likely to come to your aid today if you need a special favor that relates to their field of expertise. Don't be afraid to call on this person today, but do remember you will have to return the favor in the future, so watch what you ask for. 19th December. Virgo. Romance. Today you are considering taking a romantic relationship to the next step. It may be that you've been involved with your partner for a while now, and today your mind is playing with the idea of making it permanent. These mental exercises will be fruitful today and will guide you in the right direction. But listen to your heart and keep your feet on the ground because you're making a very long-term commitment. 19th December. Virgo. Career. Colleagues try to undermine you, but you eventually come out on top with your will and determination. Today you will need to watch your back in the office as others may be conspiring against you. The negative actions directed against you may seem small and insignificant, but if you put them all together, then you will see a picture emerge of an unhealthy work environment for you. Don't hesitate to talk to your supervisor about what you have seen and take efforts to set the situation right. 19th December. Virgo. Finance. If you own your own business, you can consider expanding your operations today in order to lay a foundation for the financial growth of your company for the long term. If you work in a company, today you should consider ways that you could ask your company for a raise. Try expanding your workload by offering to take on more responsibilities. This strategy should pay off for you. 19th December. Virgo. Health. Today is a day to check in on the health of those around you in your family and social circles. You can be glad to see that your own health is quite strong, but some of your very dear ones may be falling ill at this time without fully realizing it. Watch for signs that a loved one is not well and say something immediately. They will be very glad you did in the end. 19th December. Libra. Overview. You will be in a position today to use your charm to make new friends. All you need to do is be the one to take that first step and get the conversation rolling. With the way things are indicated, you could well make friends for a lifetime. Go ahead without any hesitation today and mingle. 19th December. Libra. Romance. Today will test your patience a bit. You are feeling slightly restless and irritable. As with every day, your job is to maintain your cool and make sure you don't say anything to your loved one that you don't truly mean. Don't go talk it through. Don't go to bed mad tonight. 19th December. Libra. Career. To wrap up pending work quickly, you may have to inspire subordinates to give their best at this time. However, not everyone may feel so inspired, so choose those who show some potential for motivation. Your technical skills may be tested as you are given challenging assignments at work. Some of you can expect recognition or award for an outstanding achievement today. 19th December. Libra. Finance. Today is a day when benefits are likely to come from overseas. If you have investments abroad or are waiting to hear about some financial aid which would come your way from overseas, today might bring you the news and benefits that you have been waiting for. Keep a positive attitude as the stars are in your favor. 19th December. Libra. Health. You seem to suffer from pangs of anxiety today. Calm down and peacefully think about why you are confused and what is troubling you so much, and then try finding a solution for it. 19th December. Scorpio. Overview. Overall, today begins a period of productivity for you. As travel has been on your mind as of late, today you may begin to see a major movement on your plans, and you can expect the upcoming journey to be pleasurable. Use this time of quick results to move forward on as many fronts as possible. 19th December. Scorpio. Romance. The influence of the planets is generating a feeling of tremendous goodwill and strength between you and your beloved. Even if you have problems now on any front, don't be afraid to ask your partner for an opinion or some advice. This information will have your best interest at heart and will be well received by you. Give each other extra strength today. 19th December. Scorpio. Career. Today you can reflect on some changes that have taken place in your career sector and be grateful for the new developments. Be sure to thank those who have given you a helping hand, for you wouldn't be where you are today without their assistance. Chart your path forward carefully. 19th December. Scorpio. Finance. If you work in the realm of law, you can expect to be very busy today. However, you will be glad to see that cases are tending to be settled in your favor, so that should make you very happy. It may also make you very rich. Continue pressing forward on all your pending cases and see if this good luck will continue. 19th December. Scorpio. Health. You are accident prone at this time, so do be careful. The likeliness of injuring yourself while at work or while traveling is high today. Be cautious, for it's better to be safe than sorry. Abide by all the traffic laws and be extra careful while handling sharp-edged instruments, electrical appliances and fire. 19th December. Sagittarius. Overview. The legal system will work in your favor today. Your efforts on this issue have finally come to fruition today. However, you may find yourself drained of energy even though you have emerged victorious. Recognize that this is a time to be happy and to feel relieved. Your legal matters will begin to be less burdensome for you from this point forward. 19th December. Sagittarius. Romance. For those in a relationship, the extra time you find yourself having today will allow you to focus on your partner with special attention. Splurge on them today, if only with a showering of your affection and your emotions. They are sure to do the same for you. You will find your home to be a very happy and loving place to be at this time. 19th December. Sagittarius. Career. If you are unemployed, then today some good news may finally come your way. This may or may not be your dream job, but it should at least be encouraging that your situation is not as dire as you thought it was. Take this job in order to keep you busy and earning while you continue looking for your perfect job. 19th December. Sagittarius. Finance. Today is a great day to give in to your recent desires to donate money to a good cause. There are plenty of worthy causes, and your recent feelings of generosity will bring great relief to someone else. You will also experience the joy associated with giving today. 19th December. Sagittarius. Health. Beware of some skin irritations today, as problems with the skin are indicated for you. Keep out of the sun in order to avoid skin damage and drink plenty of water. Avoid oily foods and very dusty and dirty areas. This will not only help your skin remain healthy, but will give you a healthy, hydrated glow as well. 19th December. Capricorn. Overview. A long-standing legal battle, which may have been the source of a lot of worry and anxiety for you, will finally be concluded in your favor. You can finally get back to your normal routine. Now that this matter will cease to remain a distraction for you, it is time to move on in life, especially mentally and emotionally. 19th December. Capricorn. Romance. Today you will need to spend some time revising who you think you are looking for in a partner if you are still single. You have been choosing all the wrong people lately and they have left you heartbroken. Look for that person who makes you happy, not the one who comes in like a whirlwind and leaves your head spinning. Use your long-term relationship goals as your guide. 19th December. Capricorn. Career. Students may get good news from afar today regarding scholarships or admissions to a university overseas. Studies will proceed smoothly, but do remain focused. Such academic endeavors will be successful at this time. Those in the workforce will find that work is proceeding smoothly and your efforts are paying off. 19th December, Capricorn, finance.
Slow and steady wins the race. This should be your financial mantra for now. You may not see the rewards of all your investments just yet, but you are laying a strong foundation for a stable future. Lay your mind to rest on financial matters, as it is your slow and steady efforts at financial security that will bring you gains in the long term.
19th December, Capricorn, health.
Stay away from fire and sharp-edged objects, as you are accident-prone today. You might cause injury and damage to yourself from objects such as knives today. Also, it is definitely in your interest to avoid any very hot objects, as you will certainly regret it if you have an accident with one of them.
19th December, Aquarius, overview. You may feel a bit disappointed if a trip you had planned with your family comes up against some unexpected hurdles or falls through. Even if you do go on this trip, you may find that you encounter some obstacles and hurdles that cause all of you to feel a bit dissatisfied. The trip will not be a complete loss, as there will be some good times and laughs, but don't be surprised if there are some headaches as well. 19th December, Aquarius, romance. If possible, use some innovative methods to express your love rather than just the usual sweets or gifts. You will be highly benefited by writing a small poem of your own and sending it to your beloved. This will not only lift the mood of your partner, but will also infuse a new spirit of fun in your affair. 19th December, Aquarius, career. If you work as a chartered accountant, you will find that today offers you some new challenges and new benefits in your career sector. You are even likely to get a nice pay raise from your current employer. If you are looking for work as a chartered accountant, then today may very well be your lucky day. 19th December, Aquarius, finance.
If you are involved in the share market, then you will see positive developments today. Financial speculation made now bear fruit later, so don't be afraid to take some chances. Overall, your financial profile is becoming quite solid, so you can feel secure that you have been making some wise choices. Keep it up.
19th December, Aquarius, health.
You need to be careful while eating because chances of suffering from some stomach pains are high. You must be careful about your diet. Choose your foods carefully and put any cravings aside for the day. Just eat safe, home-cooked, clean meals and you will be able to avoid most digestive problems.
19th December, Pisces, overview. Just relax and enjoy the day with friends. Hard work and mental stress takes a toll on you most days. But today, you are likely to get a brief opportunity to just kick your shoes off and spend a relaxing day with friends, talking about random things or indulging in light-hearted banter. Feel rejuvenated and completely relaxed. 19th December, Pisces, romance. Today you may feel like Cupid is dragging his feet when it comes to finding you a true love. You are merely in a period during which there is not much activity for you on the dating front. You will find the right person, but it will take some time. Don't worry, Cupid is working behind the scenes on the issue for you. 19th December, Pisces, career. If you are in the hotel or hospitality industry, then today in your career sector, you should find ways to increase the overall success of your company or organization, even if it does not benefit you in the short term. You would find later that the actions you take today in the overall interests of your organization will pay off for you later. Your loyalty will be recognized and rewarded eventually. 19th December, Pisces, finance.
A financial setback is imminent if you do not watch your expenses closely. Today you may be feeling a little frustrated financially. You want to buy some new things either for yourself or for your family and don't feel that you are able to right now. There will be a time in the future for splurging on loved ones or on yourself, but this is not that time. Just be grateful today that you are able to be as comfortable as you are.
19th December, Pisces, health.
Today you will notice the toll that some prolonged stress has taken on your health. In order to treat some of the symptoms of this stress and tension, you will need to resolve the matter causing you stress. Once you are able to return to a peaceful state in your mind, you will find that your health problems dissipate.